Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Patricia Etho Intambuya Ndlovu isiqaphopo esihle sakhona le koBulawayo eMakhandeni. So today I'm here to tell you things that you need to know before you come to Harare. So I'll just share with you the experience that I had the first time that I came to Harare. So the first time that I came to Harare, I was here to visit for just 2 days. So I got to Harare, then I had to go back home, okay? So when I got into the bus, I think the first mistake that I did was going to find a bus at Mbare. I think that is the first mistake that I did because I didn't know any other place where I could find buses. I only knew Mbare, okay? So, I went to Mbare. Then I had extra $20 for the journey so that I can buy food, okay? So I went into the bus. Then there were those people that usually sell chargers, power banks, earpods and everything. And so guys, ngifuna ukuthenga i-power bank. I had $20 and the power bank was going at $5. So I thought, okay, ngabiza ubudala lona ngathi ngicela ukuthenga i-power bank. Then he was like, I don't have change, but ngizakudingela. I was like, okay, fine. Then I got the power bank. Then he gave me $5. Then he was like, okay, enye $10 ngiyabuya la. Then I was like, okay, sharp. Then the man went off the bus. Esithi usesiyadinga change. Then I waited, guys. Then I waited for something like 15 minutes. And the man wayengakabuyi. Then I was like, sokushuba manje. Then ngathi mana ngizehlele ngiyemdinga mina so that ngibone ukuthi wayengakabuyi le change because in my mind I was like, he's going to come back. Ngakwazi ukuthi uzangiqila. Okay. Himlona ngehle ebhasini, guys. I looked everywhere for that man. I searched everywhere for that man. Not everywhere because ngeke ngiqede Mbare, but ngapho nguchecka nje. Ngabona the man is not there. Till ibhasi yasifuna usuka and the conductor was like, hey girl, come, we want to leave. Then ngangena ebhasini, guys. Like I traveled the whole journey without eating anything because of that. So guys, if not yet, when you're coming to Harare, please be clever enough. Don't give anyone your money at change. There is nothing like that. If they don't have change, don't buy. If they don't have change, don't buy anything because hey, you're going to cry just like me. So make sure that you're clever enough, okay? The other thing, guys, is that do not drink Harare tap water. Do not try it because you get sick. The first time I drank the water, I had a runny stomach, the serious one, that I went to Pare, but I was given medicine, ngaba right, and I will never again drink Harare tap water because we are gula or serious. And it's not only the bad things, guys, that are here in Harare. There are also good things in Harare.